Welcome. Today we're going to uncover a quick and easy way to mute an account's posts on Instagram using the PC app, even after the latest update. There are times when you want to break from someone's posts, but you don't want to unfollow them or cause any awkwardness. Muting is the perfect solution. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open up your Instagram app on your computer. Start by logging in and making sure you're on the home screen. Once you're in, head over to the search bar at the top and type in the name of the account you'd like to mute. When it appears, simply click on their profile. Now that you're on their page, look for the following button. You'll find it near the top, right below their bio and username. Give it a click. A small menu will pop up. In this menu, you'll see the option to mute. Click on mute and you'll be presented with different things you can mute, including the account's posts. To mute only their posts, select posts. If you only want to mute their posts, make sure the other options like stories are unchecked. Once you've made your selection, don't forget this step. Click on Save to lock in your choice. That's it. This account's posts will no longer show up in your Instagram feed, but you'll still be following them and they will have no idea you've made this change. If you ever change your mind, just repeat these steps and unmute their posts. Taking control of your feed can really personalize your Instagram experience. Remember, muting is private and reversible, so feel free to use this feature whenever you want to curate what you see. Thanks for tuning in. For more helpful tips like this, make sure to stay connected and keep exploring new ways to get the best out of your Instagram app. Happy scrolling!